Hi everyone, this is BVKR. In this session, we'll discuss about class 6th, chapter 3 about coprimes. So till now we have discussed about prime numbers and composite numbers. What are the prime numbers? The numbers which have only one and itself as factors, they are called prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Then after composite numbers, the number which have more than two factors, that means not only one and itself, other than one and itself factors, the numbers which has there are composite numbers. So like 4, 6, 8 and so on. So now after completion of the prime and composite numbers, we have a coprimes. What are the coprimes? The numbers which have only one as the common factor are called coprimes, or we call them relatively prime. That means, so when we observe this 3 and 8 here, the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Yeah, isn't it? The factors of 3 are only 1 and 3. Yes. Then the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So when we observe the factors of 3 and 8, so we could know that we come across these two factors of 3 and 8. The common factors of 3 and 5 are only 1. Except 1, there is no common factors for these 3 and 8. So as for the given instruction, the numbers which have only 1 as the common factor are called coprimes. Now the common factor is only 1, so 3 and 8 are coprimes. Then all primes are coprimes. We have two primes. Yes, they are prime numbers, so need not be worry about to say they are coprimes. But all coprimes need not be prime numbers. Okay. After coprimes, so we will discuss about the twin primes. What are the twin primes? Twin primes are prime numbers. So not in the case of coprimes, but in the coprimes, all coprimes need not be prime numbers. But in twin primes, this definitely the numbers should be prime, and they are differ from each other by 2. That means the prime numbers which have the difference is 2. That means, you see, for example, if you observe 3 and 5, what is the difference between 3 and 5? 5 minus 3, that is equals to 2. So 3 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. These two prime numbers difference is 2. So that is so that 3 and 5 are twin primes. We call them as a twin primes. In the same way, 5 and 7. 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. The difference of these two prime numbers is 2. So that 5 and 7 also called as twin primes. As usual, and we'll go for 11 and 13. 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number. The difference between them is 2. So that 11 and 13 also twin primes. And 41 and 43. 43 minus 41 is equals to 2. Here the primes which I have written on the board, all are twin primes. So these are the examples of twin primes. So finally, what I am saying about the twin primes, the twin primes are prime numbers, and the difference should be the two such numbers are called twin primes. So this is about coprimes and twin primes. Let us go for the exercise problems.